This is a 2011 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, xDrive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, cruise control, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.